Hello, my name is Tom Cozzolino, and I'm an architect evangelist for Salesforce. As the CIO, CTO, or enterprise architect, you're expected to be ready for continual business and technical change. This could include handling a never-ending set of challenges across your application portfolio, as well as managing the entire technology lifecycle, from sunsetting of legacy technologies that seemingly won't die, to adopting the newest tools to meet the demands of your business, sometimes before your company is really ready for them. Through our work with customers and partners, we've developed what we believe to be an effective way to address the major challenges of modern IT at the leadership level. Let's have a closer look at these challenges and see how Salesforce can help you to address them. We see architecture as a journey across a number of areas, all focused on a way to evolve strategies and maximize your company's agility. While Salesforce is steeped in the cloud and other modern trends, you'll see that our approach is based on proven concepts that are immaterial to the choice of technology. First, what will your target architecture look like? Starting with your business's operating model and mapping back to required capabilities and key business processes is a great way to start this effort. This ensures that the architecture you're moving towards is actually relevant to your company's stated direction. Next, how will you govern this target architecture? Governance is centered on making the cliché of business partnering with IT a true reality. And while each company will define governance a bit differently, the center of the bullseye here is a drive to a transparent way of managing change. Third, how do you think about application design? Rapid application development strategies, including Salesforce's own Force.com and Heroku, as well as trends including big data, Internet of Things, and still others, demand that architects fundamentally reconsider best fit approaches to development. Mobile demands will also bring huge challenges and opportunities to the table, as you look to make some sense of the large numbers of tools and frameworks that are available. Next, what's your integration approach? All modern enterprises have a large number of legacy, on-premises, and cloud-based applications that need to interoperate at least on some level. And while services-oriented architectures have been in development for literally decades, API first, mobile backend as a service, and other trends are further increasing the pressure on new integration patterns and approaches. Next, how are you managing your software design lifecycle? The move to agile and lean software development is driving both new human-centered processes as well as the demands for increased automation. Architects need to understand how increased workloads and backlogs will be sifted and processed in ways that are predictable, manageable, and frankly survivable. The next area is a big one, and it's data. Data includes everything from master data management to analytics, big data, and the coming tsunami of data that will be generated by movements like the Internet of Things. The idea is to use a combination of cloud and rapid development techniques, or fast IT, with traditional systems of record, or slow IT. One approach is to feed fast IT with good enough data from slow IT to rapidly deploy applications while single sources of truth continue to fall into place. A never-ending challenge to modern architects is performance and scalability. With the lines of business owning larger budgets, the widespread acceptance of bring your own device, and the growing number of systems that are not under the direct control of IT, performance management is a huge issue. Successful approaches here include outfitting the right set of test environments and tools to model and plan for scale. Finally, security and trust. Today's composite architectures typically have what are known as complex attack surfaces, that is, many entrance, linkage, and integration points. In addition, compliance and other regulatory pressures continue to increase, and there's a huge variety of ways to manage identity. We found that focusing on core security competencies that are specific to your enterprise and holding vendor partners accountable from a trust perspective are great first steps. As you can see, the areas we've outlined here are interdependent and involve collaborative teams, new or improved processes, and quite a large amount of technology. It's a hugely exciting time to be a technology leader. We hope that this brief introduction has given you some food for thought as you consider your own architecture journey. We'll be exploring each of these areas in future videos. Goodbye for now, but we'll see you soon.